So I am the founder of the Love Your Period campaign that originally started with just raising awareness around periods, but now we raise awareness around all sorts of things girls go through growing up that we don't talk about because everyone's a bit embarrassed about. I'd probably say it's face-to-face, so on days like this, meeting young people who are just like me, or were just like me when I was in school, who have questions and are eager to learn, but feel they can't talk to anyone else, and they come and ask lots of questions, and we love it. And there's a lovely, like a sister community, and we can kind of be like that big sister to go through all those things that I wish I had growing up. When I was going through school, my parents didn't teach me about my period, and it really held me back. And people around me were telling me that was normal, and I didn't agree. So I thought I'd do something about it. So it was originally just a bit of a project to try and get period products in schools, but 5 years later we work across the world doing what we do.